Hello everyone, this is Zoe at WeShipFloors.com. Here today to talk to you about the SPC016 Natural Hickory. I'm doing some up-close video of this one to show you the details and the character. Now I do have a little reflection from the window there, but it does reveal that texture there. This is great for slip resistance, so don't worry if the floor gets wet. You're able to grip it with your feet or shoes. This one also has a beveled edge enhancement. So looking at the colors on this one, it does have the bold complex graining associated with hickory. Has natural brown tones. Some cream tones. And just a hint of a little bit of reddish in there. Very beautiful, clean hickory. Got a few samples right there. Show you what they're like. You can order these on our website. You can just put that model number SPC016 in the search box and you will be able to get right to the product page. There'll be some details labeled on the back. Showing you a bigger section here. This is on display in our showroom, so we've got different sections showing this floor. I really wanted to show you this detail and how it will vary from plank to plank. Really nice hickory. So get it at WeShipFloors.com. Exclusively made. SuperCore SPC016 Natural Hickory. Thanks for watching.